Another day, another lesson.
Huh? Where is everyone?
Oh, I was wondering why it was so quiet.
Kids today.
Oh no, I'm late! But I know what to do. I'll put this invisibility cloak on. This'll work. No one will see a thing.
I really need to update my dating profile.
Huh? He has no idea I'm here. Psst. Over here.
What was that?
I'll grab his phone.
Meh. Wait! My phone! It was right here. What the…
That was fun. But it's time for boring classwork.
I don't understand. And where did you appear from?
I was here all along.
I guess I'm tired.
Nice. Beep beep. Coming through. I like to travel in style. It's the only way. Woohoo! Time for class. I better lock my scooter. You can't be too careful. Hang on. What's that? They see me rolling. This is my ride. What do you think? Check this out. Just give me a moment. That's it! Stop! Stop! It's out of control! So this is how it ends? Ah! This is gonna be close! Is it over? Are you crazy? I could have been hurt! You're so annoying! Oops. My steering wheel. I'll take it with me. Sha-la-la-la. I love this song. But class is about to start. Is something wrong? Howdy, neighbor. How's it going? Good? Why is she talking to me? I've got earphones. Pretty neat, huh? Pretend you didn't see that. Wires? Wow. Never mind. They still work. Whatever. Take a look at this. It's the latest model. Jealous? No. Not really. Well, maybe a little. Hang on. What's that in the trash can? It's a piece of cardboard. This gives me an idea. I just need to make a few adjustments. What is she doing now? No way. The keyboard's ready. Now I need a screen. This printout will do the job. Now I have a laptop. Who's jealous now? That is so tragic. You're missing something? That's what makes the difference. Ah! I've got it. I've got an apple too. I'll place it on the cardboard. And tape it in place. I don't want it falling off. That should do it. You need to see this. You actually did that? That's hilarious. Whatever. I'm happy with it. That's the main thing. Ugh, I'm exhausted. I need to cool down. Butler.
Your golden fan, ma'am. Allow me. One cool breeze just for you.
Oh, that's good. Whoa! That's what I need. I can use this cardboard. Ah, much better. You're doing it by hand. I never get my hands dirty. So it's like that? I'll show you. You're right. That is good. Did you just steal my cool breeze? That's mine. Ah, I love this. Ugh, don't do that! I want it! Stop doing that! Point it this way! Never!
How's it going, class? Whoa, whoa! I'm getting dizzy. Stop!
She started it. What?
There's only one thing for it.
I can't look! Is it safe? What's she doing?
I need to show you something. Watch this. I'll place my jumpsuit over the fan. You get a leg each.
I'm so confused. I have no idea what's going on.
Wait for it. I'll turn the fan on. Look at it go!
Whoa! This is amazing! It feels great!